In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a carousel on Webflow without any custom code or programming. Carousels are a fantastic way to showcase multiple images or pieces of content in a small space without overwhelming your site visitors. Luckily, Webflow provides an intuitive component called sliders to help you achieve this effortlessly. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Add Elements panel in Webflow's design interface. This panel contains all sorts of useful tools and components for setting up your site. Here, you'll find the slider element you need for your carousel. Simply drag the slider onto your page. This action adds the basic slider structure to your design, and you're ready to start incorporating your images. Before moving on to the next step, it's crucial to ensure that the images you want in your carousel are uploaded to your assets library in Webflow. If they're not already there, take a moment to upload them now. Having all your assets organized and at your fingertips will make the process much smoother. With your images ready, adding them to the slider is straightforward. Just drag each image from your assets library directly into the slider. The intuitive design of Webflow should make this as simple as clicking and dragging. Once your first image is in place, you can use the slider's built-in controls to start organizing and previewing how each slide appears. Now, take a moment to look at the existing slides at the bottom of the slider. These are your access points for previewing each image within your carousel setup. You can click on the connectors or numbers at the bottom of the slider to see the different slides as they transition, offering you a real-time preview of the changes you've made. If you find that you want to add more slides to your carousel, don't worry, that's just as easy. Head over to the Navigator panel on the left side of the Webflow interface. Select your slider component within this panel. Next, go to its settings, which will display various customization options for your selected element. Here, you'll see the Add Slide option. Click on it, and a new slide will appear, ready for more images or content. And there you go. Just like that, you've created a custom image-rich carousel using Webflow's built-in slider, all without writing a single line of code. As you've seen, crafting dynamic and engaging content isn't just for developers. It's accessible to anyone willing to explore these robust tools. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.